Hi everybody, welcome to the next lesson where we will learn how to download and install a software development platform, in this case Eclipse. The only materials we are going to need are a computer and an internet. As a first step, we will access to the official Eclipse page where we find different sections. We click the download button. Once again, we click on the download button. We choose between 32 and 64, depends on your PC. We also need a plan, a GDK. We're going to Google and choose the free option. Accept terms and choose between 32 and 64 bits. Once downloaded, we will move the download files to the desktop to see them more easily. We install the GDK running as administrator and we wait. We press the next button. We press the next button again and we wait. When finished, press the close button. In the Eclipse file, press right click and straight here. We will have a folder tab. We will open and double click on the file called Eclipse. We choose where we'll save our files. Once installed, the window will appear and we will already have installed Eclipse. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.